Hey guys, we received this trip travel gear toiletry bag kit for test and try. So it's a hanging travel toiletry kit. So say if you are going for a travel and you can just put in all your cosmetic, toothbrush or daily requirements in this bag and then you can hang it as well. So I will show you one by one. So say this is a meshy pocket in the back just to carry some stuff where you just want to see, and also like this is the main bag. So you see like the three compartment here, and this one is the clear bag. So clear bag is actually helpful for the travel, like for all your small creams and things where they want to see it, you have to take out every time or in a ziploc. So this bag will help. This is for the shoe or your slippers, that you can put it in this bag, and then also like carry your bottle, like it's up to you whatever you want to put in here. So basically, these are small like bags with a waterproof material, so you can use it any way you want. But I will prefer it to use like for my slippers and stuff. And this one is the clear bag, as it says. So in the travel, they want everything to be put in a clear bag. So here you can just put it. So it's a nice thing. And the second thing is here, like you can put your toothpaste, your razor shaving thing, or your stuff. And then there's the other pocket. So there are ample pockets to store in your stuff and your toiletry needs. And also like the meshy thing, just for the small things where you can see it, and it will just a waterproof thing. And then also another clear bag here or the pouch where you can put in the stuff. So I like this design and the quality material is really lightweight and really good to handle. So this also have this hook. So this hook can be do like on this like the table or the towel hangers or stuff, and then you can just put it and it will hold up the stuff.